Hi, it's Mrs. Ryan. I'm going to read to you a little story. I'm here visiting my grandpa, and he lives in northern Arizona. So I get to come see him and visit. I'm going to read you a story that you've probably read in your kinder class. If not, you will. I'm going to read you The Wet Dog. So this story is by Robert Salvin and Nancy Madden. And then it's illustrated by Deborah Cicali. So we have two authors, two people work together to write it. And we have one illustrator, one person who drew our picture. Our title's right up here at the top, The Wet Dog. We're working on the D sound for the wet dog. And it's a great story with our doggy here. All right. This is a story about a boy named Matt and his dog. Matt's dog always looks sad. What do you think his name is? Sad Sam. Sad Sam looks sad, but he is really a happy dog. In fact, Sad Sam's problem is that he's too happy sometimes. Sad Sam is happy. When Sad Sam gets happy, he runs around and jumps up on people. Sad Sam rolls around in muddy water, and then he comes inside. He is glad to see Matt. Is Matt glad to see Sad Sam? Is he happy? Here's Matt. Does he look happy? Matt says, "No, Sad Sam." Matt loves Sad Sam, but no one loves a wet dog. Sad Sam shakes himself, and muddy water gets all over Matt. Matt says, "Sad Sam, no." Matt's dad comes into the room. Dad loves Sad Sam, but no one loves a wet dog. Dad says, "No, Sad Sam, Dad is mad." Sad Sam just won't listen. Wet dogs never listen. Now Matt and his dad are both wet. They say, "No, no, 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 Sad Sam." Dad is mad. Matt is mad. But is Sad Sam mad? Sad Sam is not mad. Sad Sam is happy. Do you think Dad will stay mad? Does Dad still look mad at Sad Sam? What about Matt? Matt is happy. Dad is happy. I hope you enjoyed Sad Sam and his little adventure in our story, The Wet Dog.